तो कल के वीडियो में हमने स्टार्ट किया था एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डेरिवेटिव का फर्स्ट टॉपिक रेट मेजर। उसके कुछ क्वेश्चंस भी किए थे। आज भी उससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस ही करेंगे। एक्सरसाइज 6.1 क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, not 9, question number 8. A balloon which always remains spherical on inflation is being inflated by pumping in 900 cubic centimeter of gas. Question number 8. dV upon dt is given 900 centimeter cube per second. It is given that by pumping in 900 cubic centimeter of gas per second, find the rate at which radius of the balloon increases when the radius is 15 centimeter. We have to find out change in the radius, and balloon is given spherical. We know that volume of sphere is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. We have to find change in radius with respect to time. So here we differentiate with respect to time. dV upon dt is 4 upon 3 pi into 3r square dr upon dt. 3 to 3 cancel. dV upon dt is equals to 4 pi r square dr upon dt. dV upon dt is 900 upon 4 pi r square dr upon dt. And now by using dr upon dt, you can find 900 dr upon dt at r is equals to 15. Given that r is equals to 15, so you can use r is equals to 15, 4 into pi into 15 square. 900 into 4, 225. So 225 upon pi into 225 is equals to 1 upon pi dr upon dt at r is equals to 15 centimeter per second, or we can write dr upon dt at r is equals to 15 is 7 by 22 centimeter per second. Both answers are right. You can leave in pi or you can write 7 upon 22. So in this way we can find change in radius with respect to time. Next is question number 10. A ladder 5 meter long is leaning against a wall. So there is a ladder 5 meter long. Length of ladder is 5 meter. The bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall. We pull the bottom of the ladder along the wall. Suppose this distance is x. At the rate of 2 centimeter per second. How fast is its height on the wall decreasing when the foot of ladder is 4 meters away from the wall. दिस इज y, हमने मान लिया इसको y, इस डिस्टेंस को मान लिया x, इसको मान लिया y और लेंथ ऑफ लेटर है 5. लेंथ ऑफ लेटर इज 5 मीटर. Let distance of the foot of ladder is x meter or x centimeter. Meter, length is given in meter, so you can write in meter. The distance of the foot of the ladder is x meter. And height of the ladder is y meter. And it is given that dx upon dt is 2 centimeter per minute, 2 centimeter per second. Dx upon dt is given 2 centimeter per second. We have to find change in y, dy by dt. To get change in y, we have to relate x and y by using Pythagoras. We can write x square plus y square is equals to 25 or 5 square. X square plus y square is equals to 25. And now differentiate this. 2x dx upon dt plus 2y dy by dt is equals to 0. Two y dy by dt is equals to minus 2x dx by dt. So dy by dt is equals to minus x upon y dx by dt. Dy by dt is equals to minus x upon y, and value of dx upon dt is given 2. One more thing is given. If x is equals to 4, then you have to find change in dy by dt. If x is equal to 4, we have to find out value of y first, because y is also required here. X is given but y is not given. So by using Pythagoras, we can find value of y. X square plus y square 25. 16 plus y square is 25. Y square is equals to 9. So value of y is equals to 3. So when x is 4, value of y is 3. So now using x and y, we can find change in height dy by dt. So dy by dt at x is equals to 4 is minus 4, y is 3 into 2. So minus 8 upon 3 centimeter per second. This is change in height. So height is decreasing. What is the meaning of minus? Minus means the height of ladder is decreasing at the rate of 8.3 centimeter per second. Height is decreasing. At the rate of 8/3 centimeter per second. So whenever rate is negative, it means there is decrease. Next is question number 11. A particle moves along the curve 6y is equals to particle moves along the curve 6y is equals to x cube plus 2. Find the point on the curve at which y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as x coordinate. Y coordinate is changing 8 times fast as x coordinate. So change in y dy by dt is 8 times of dx by dt. It is given that dy by dt is 8 times as fast as x coordinate. And relation in x and y is given 6y is equals to x cube plus 2. So now you differentiate with respect to t. 6 dy by dt 3x square dx by dt. Six dy by dt is 8 dx by dt. 3x square dx by dt. Dx by dt is common both sides, so cancel it. You will get 48 is equals to 3x square. X square is equals to 16. So value of x is plus minus 4. Here we have to find out coordinates. Find the point on the curve. We have to find coordinate of the point. So x is plus minus 4. By using value of x 4 or minus 4, we can find value of y. So now you put the value of x in the given curve. 6y is equals to x cube, then y is equals to x cube plus 2 upon 6. If x is equals to 4, we can get y is equals to 4 cube plus 2 upon 6. 64 plus 2 upon 6. 4 cube is 64. 66 upon 6 is 11. Second value, if x is equals to minus 4, y is equals to minus 4 cube plus 2 upon 6. Minus 64 plus 2 upon 6. 62 upon 6 minus 31 by 3. So required point on the curve curve 4, 11 or minus 4, minus 31 by 3. So in this way you can find required point on the curve. After this, question number 14. Question number 14. Sand is pouring from a pipe at the rate of 12 centimeter cube per second. So 12 centimeter cube per second is the unit of volume. dV upon dt, change in given 12 centimeter cube per second. So here sand is pouring from a pipe at the rate of 12 centimeter cube per second. The falling sand form a cone on the ground in such a way that height of the cone is always 1/6 of the radius. It is given that height is 1/6 of the radius. Then find change in height. How fast is the height of the sand cone increasing when the height is 4? We have to find change in height at h is equals to 4. And sand cone is forming a cone. So we have to use volume of cone. Volume of cone is equals to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. In the question it is given that h is equals to 1 upon 6 r. So r is equals to 6h. Volume is equals to 1 upon 3 pi, value of r is 6h, whole square into h. Volume is equals to pi upon 3 into 36 h square into h, or volume is equals to pi upon 3 into 36 h cube. Now dV upon dt, pi by 3 into 36 into 3h square dh by dt. Three to three cancel. dV upon dt is equals to pi into 36 h square dh by dt. dV upon dt is 12 upon 36 pi into h square dh by dt. dh by dt at h is equals to 4 is 12 upon 36 into pi into 16. 12 3 is 36. So is equals to 1 upon 48 pi. So dh upon dt is equals to at h is equals to 4 1 upon 48 pi centimeter per second. So this is rate of change of height 1 upon 48 pi centimeter per second. Now question number 15 and 16. These are, in this question you have to find out marginal cost and marginal revenue. मार्जिनल कॉस्ट और मार्जिनल रेवेन्यू का मतलब है चेंज इन रेवेन्यू और चेंज इन कॉस्ट. So whenever you have to find out marginal cost or marginal revenue, means you have to find out change. Marginal cost means differentiate the cost dc upon dx. Whatever variable is given, if cost is given variable x, then you have to find dc upon dx. If cost is given variable y, you have to find dc upon dy. Same way, marginal revenue means change in revenue. You have to find dr upon dx or dr upon dy. You can see question number 16. Revenue is given rx 13x square plus 26x plus 15. Find the marginal revenue when x 7. You have to find out marginal revenue. Marginal revenue dr upon dx, and dr upon dx is 26x plus 26. dr upon dx at x is equals to 7. So 26 into 7 plus 26. 6 into 7, 42, 14 and 4, 18. 6 7 is 42, 14 and 4, 18 plus 26 is 208. So here marginal revenue is 208. So in this way you can find marginal revenue or marginal cost. For marginal cost you can find dc upon dx. So remaining parts, remaining question you try by yourself. If you have any doubt, then you can ask in live class. Okay, goodbye.